bohong.
Aku hanya memikirkan satu peraturan penting. Kenapa kau lakukan hari ini kalau kau bisa melakukannya besok?
Few moments later.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Hisham Asharifin, and today I want to share my thoughts on the outcome of the match between Indonesia versus Bahrain. Of course, here is the text rewritten for easier reading, with simpler vocabulary and sentence structure. Having followed the Indonesia national team for years, I need to talk about the controversial Bahrain match. So many things about it just didn't feel right. From the start, the referee calls were inconsistent. Your players were punished for small touch, while their players got away with heavy tackles. It felt like there were two different sets of rules, and this unfair pattern continued the entire game. The worst part was the use of VAR. Your goal was checked for a very long time, as if they were desperate to find a reason to cancel it. But when Bahrain scored, their goal was achieved almost instantly. Even the added time made so sensate was supposed to be 6 minutes, but the game went on for over 100 minutes. It was baffling. However, through all this unfairness, one amazing thing happened. We saw the true fighting spirit of your team. They proved they are not just skilled, but also incredibly strong mentality. They never give up. Let's hope for fairer treatment in the future. But no matter what, the spirit of the Garuda will always live on in your hearts. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Hisham Asharifin. Here I will present the result of my PPT. The question word. Introduction. Question word are words used to ask questions. They help us get information about people, things, time, place, and reason. List of common question words. What, apa, where, di mana, when, kapan, who, siapa, why, kenapa, how, bagaimana. What, used to ask about an object, activity, or concept. What is your hobby? What make you happy? Where? Used to ask about things or activity. Where do you live? Where are you going? When? Used to ask or indicate the time. When do you usually study? When is your birthday? Who? Used to ask the person who performed an action or who will recap an action. Who is your best friend? Who teaches your English? Why? Used to ask the reason or cause of something happening. Why are you sad? Why do you like cats? Which used to ask about things or activities. Which color do you prefer, blue or red? Which subject is the most difficult for you? Whom used to ask about or replace people as object. Whom did you see? Whom are you talking to? Whose used to ask or show ownership. Whose bug is this? Whose phone are you using? How used to ask about the method, state, amount, or level of something. How do you that? How was your day? Different types of how. How was your day activity? How much is this book? How much? How beautiful she is! Exclamation. How to from WH question word. WH question with auxiliary verb. WH plus auxiliary verb. To be, do or have. Plus subject plus main verb plus. Where do you stay live? Where are you living? With WH question with modal verb. Kata yang termasuk modal verb diantaranya can, could, will, would, shall, should, might, must. Rumusnya WH plus modal verb plus subject plus main verb plus. What should I do? Why would he stay with? Kalimat tanya tanpa auxiliary modal verb. Rumusnya WH plus main verb plus. Who won the game? Whose phone rang? Negative WH question. Kalimat tanya positif tanpa auxiliary. Who went and drink? Which door opened it? Kalimat tanya negatif dengan auxiliary verb do. Who drinks one and drink? Which door the din open? Summary. Question word help use ask for information common. Question word what, where, when, who, why, which, whom, whose, and how. Remember to use do is in correct order. WH question word has an important role in collecting information in English. Be better at asking, understanding, and interesting in everyday English. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.